Kravis didn't shy away from packing on some major PDA at the Vanity Fair Oscars After-Party. The famous drummer lovingly grabbed his future wife's butt in front of the cameras. Travis Barker, 46, couldn't keep his hands off Kourtney Kardashian, 42, at the Vanity Fair Oscar Party. The couple attended the star-studded event in Beverly Hills on Sunday, March 27, and while posing for photos on the red carpet, the Blink-182 drummer tightly squeezed the Keeping Up with the Kardashian star's butt. Kravis was at it again with the hot and heavy PDA. Kourt seemed to have no issue with her fiancé's affectionate touch. She stared right at the cameras on the carpet, while Travis rested his head against Kourtney's as he pressed his right hand on her left butt cheek. Travis and Kourtney love to pack on the PDA in public, so it was very fitting that this passionate moment was captured in photos. The engaged couple looked absolutely gorgeous for the Oscars after-party. Kourtney wore a beige dress with black lace and sparkly silver material. Her gown reached past her shoe wear on follow her on the carpet. Travis dressed in a black jacket with a white undershirt, black pants, and black loafers. He also rocked a pair of black sunglasses to really amplify his rocker look. Related gallery. Oscars Red Carpet 2022, photos of Academy Awards arrivals. Travis and Kourtney also attended the 94th annual Oscars earlier in the night. They both dressed to the nines to celebrate the achievements in film over the past year. Travis, who was a performer at the show, wore a sharp black suit. As for Kourtney, the mom of three matched her future hubby in a strapless black, fitted dress. She accessorized her gorgeous look with a pair of strappy black heels and dangling earrings.